How is it going? How is it going, smart? And I'm back on your screen, right? So this is a quick price review for AUDUSD, right? The trade that we have been on for a very long time, right? So you can see, right, 29th of December 2023. Look at the right here. So this was dropped on my my signal group on Telegram, right? All the links are in the video description, right? So look at this right here. We predicted the collapse of AUDUSD, right? That's as far back as last year, 29th of December. So look at the collapse right here. This is exactly the point that we pretty much predicted right here, collapse of AUD. So let's see what AUD has been doing. Right, so AUD, we predicted it right here, remember this point, and it collapsed down to this point again. So this is just a price review, our analysis review that we're doing right here. So look at the massive collapse that we have, and this is talking about, this is like how many months, weeks back? This is May, right? Massive collapse to the downside right here. You can look at this right here, and everything is clean, and this is like the second price update that I'm doing right here on AUDUSD, whereby we predicted the collapse of AUDUSD to the downside, right? So this is pretty much how we do it right here. And just so you know, there is a shift, right? There is a shift. That's why I'm making this video, right? So right now, what you should be focusing on is to buy AUDUSD. And I'm going to show you, by the way, don't worry, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you right here. If you don't understand what AUDUSD is doing, right? I know a lot of people are confused about all of this, right? But just to give you, clarity, perspective of what, price is doing, right? And, what I do is, I kind of like give guys, long-term perspective of what price is doing. And you saw what I did right here, massive collapse to the downside right here. You can see this right here. And when I'm doing major predictions like this, don't take it for granted, right? You can do your back testing and all of those stuff. It's very important, right? And what I do is, I'm a swing trader, right? So I do major predictions of, assets, right? AUDUSD, GBPUSD, and, all of those stuff, right? Very important, right? So I'm about to do it again. That's why you have to take this video very serious, right? Take this video very serious because it's going to change your life. Trust me, it's going to change your life. And just so you know, this prediction I'm about to do right here, don't worry, come check back this channel a few months from now. You can see that everything is, it has hit our target, right? Target, right? So right now, what I'm looking at right now is AUDUSD, right? Daily time frame, right? So let's go to the monthly time frame because a lot of people are confused. Trust me, a lot of people are confused. A lot of people are confused, right? So let me give you a clear perspective of what AUDUSD is doing, right? In a long-term, long-term scale. So we have been bearish, trust me, we have been bearish for a very long time, right? Price has been making series of, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows right here. And you can look at this, right? You can look at this right here. All right, let me show you this. Oh, where is this my tool? Where is this my tool, right? Look at this right here. So we have been bearish for a very long time. Look at this right here, turn to the downside, then turn to the downside, turn, right? So this is looking like a double bottom right here. Is this looking like a double bottom? Then turn to the upside again, then to the downside. Can you see that? Don't worry, I'm going to show you something, right? Let me remove this thing right here. So this is exactly what price has been doing, right? This is exactly what price has been doing. So where do you think price is most likely going to trade to? Because this is exactly what price has been doing right here. Because let me zoom this thing closer so that you understand what price is doing. Can you see this right here? Right. So is this looking like it was a inverse head and shoulder pattern? Let me show you this right. So clearly this is looking like a double bottom right here. This is looking like it's a clear double bottom, not looking like a double bottom. And we still have what? Inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. Look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern I'm talking about, which is a reversal pattern, right? If you've been long enough on the chart, you should understand what you understand what I'm talking about, right? All right, so yeah, look at this right here. So inverse head and shoulder pattern, but remember, overall we are bearish. Overall we are bearish. Don't ever forget that, right? From this price point right here, we are bearish. But you know, one thing you've got to understand is price is, you know, when there is a market structure shift, right? You should understand something very, very critical. Or you should understand something very, very critical. I'm about to show you to you right here. Let me delete this right. So that is a inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern. And let me show you the bigger picture that you are not seeing. I want to show you the bigger picture. Right, I want to show you the bigger picture. Remember, I checked my channel. I think I predicted oil to go to $10 per barrel. No, $100 per barrel. Sorry about that, right? $100 per barrel, and it's going to go to $100 per barrel, if you don't know, right? So this is a clear double bottom, right here. Right, we've already established a clear double bottom, and you know what I was expecting is for price to come down to this level. That's exactly what. Let me show you my bias. This is exactly what I was expecting, for price to come to this level, then we pump to the upside. That's exactly what I was expecting, but I don't think price is doing that again. I don't think so. I don't think price is about to do that again, because this is a clear inverse head and shoulder pattern right on a monthly time frame, and it's very massive, right? So this is April already. Price is pretty much trading to the upside. So let me show you my bias. Double bottom right here. What? Inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. So look at my prediction right here. So this is what price is going to most likely do right here. Come touch here, then pump to the upside. It's exactly what I'm expecting for price to do right here. Right? So this is exactly what I'm expecting for price to do. Oh, let me put it right here. Here is more visible. Right? It's exactly what I'm expecting price to do on a long-term scale right here. So if you understand, this is weekly time frame right here. If you understand what price is doing, and most of this is, if you don't understand how you're going to pretty much enter. Entry time frame is always 4 hours time frame, right? Entry time frame is always 4 hours time frame. So you can pretty much confirm with my strategy, the strategy I use right here. Let me show you this. Alright, so I'm good at collapsing this market and buying this market from a long-term standpoint. So yeah, so I'm expecting this guy to come here, touch this trend line right here, then pump to the upside. That's exactly what I'm expecting for price to do. Right? Exactly the point right here. Then to the upside. So just wait for price to retrace to the downside, then you buy to the upside, right? There's a reason, there is a more valid reason why you should buy this market, right? I've shown you one of the valid reasons, and this thing I'm about to say, right, is exclusive to people that have taken my course, right? Yeah, it's exclusive to people that have taken my course, but I'm not going to reveal it right here. Trust me, I'm not going to reveal it right here. Right? I'm not going to reveal it, the reason why this price is bullish. I'm not going to reveal it. It's simple, right? If you know what you're doing, it's simple. There is a reason why price is going to come. This is my prediction right here. If you don't know, let me just show you my prediction from here to this place, pump to the upside. That's exactly my prediction, and this is just the expo for you, right? Come back, you can come check 2 years, 3 years to come. I know you don't have that time, but don't come back, check 2 years, 3 years to come, and you will see that this prediction right here it is going to keep going to the upside. But that's by the way, right? But there is a reason why I'm buying this right here, because of what I've seen on a long-term scale, right? And those people that are part of my course, I think they understand what I'm saying. So I'm smart. If you like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? Don't take this analysis for granted, because when I said people should sell AUDUSD from this top right here to this bottom, right? I know a lot of people were confused, right? Why am I saying that sell AUDUSD to the downside, right? A lot of people are confused because they don't understand how price move, right? A lot of people are confused. Some people are waiting for break of trend line, right? You know, a lot of strategies, right? I'm not disputing anybody's strategy, right? You know, I've already seen how price is going to move, so that's why I decided to sell to the downside. And I'm telling you right here, right, fact streets, come back, check this thing in the next weeks to come. This is exactly what AUDUSD is going to do. Either you pump from there, and there's a way I go about all of this when it comes to my entry strategy, or come here then pump to the upside, and you know it's going to happen. And this thing has happened, and then a lot of people were surprised how, you know, we did this, you know, taking this from this top to the downside. And you know, my predictions, they take time, right, for them to, you know, get pretty much established. You know, this is swing trade that we're talking about. It takes time. So yeah, that's why you've got to wait for weeks and weeks before you see one trade and two trades. That's how you pretty much go about all of this, right? So yeah, so that's it. So I'm smart. If you like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you know, if you want me to drop any, you know, any analysis, long-term analysis video, you know, talking about months, like 3 months, 6 months, right, you know, just comment below, and I'm definitely gonna take out time to, you know, pretty much do that video and upload it to you guys so that you can best capitalize on it, right? So I'm smart, definitely gonna see you on the next one. Peace out.